Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to open the hood. There's a tab you pull on the left next to the footrest. We're going to release the lever right above the emblem. Right, we're going to take out the low beam headlight. Now you're going to pull this dust boot off. Reach in. It's going to feel like a credit card going up and down. You're going to twist it to the left, loosey-goosey. So to pull the bulb off the retainer, use a little needle nose or flat blade screwdriver. You can pull it right up. And that separates. And to put it back on, you want to line this tab up right there. You want to make sure not touching the bulb with your fingers. And that's all right. Now we're going to reinstall the bulb. I'm going to stick it back in the hole. Line the tabs up and the bulb will go all the way down, and then you're going to tighten it till you hear a click to the right. Now we're going to put the dust boot on. Get right over and push it down. All right, we're going to replace the headlight, the high beam headlight bulb. Now we're going to have to pull this little dust boot off. Then we're going to reach in here. Feel the bulb. Be a tab, be up and down. You're going to twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. With this type of bulb, you don't ever want to touch any of the glass of the bulb, because the oils from your hand will cause the bulb to burn out quicker. To reinstall, you're going to feed it in. Get the wires out of your way. And once you feel that the notches have gone down, you're going to push and turn clockwise, and it locks in. For the next one, we're going to replace this little driving bulb. It's inside with the high beam. You're going to want to use a small needle nose to get to it. So when you pull this bulb out, you can just grab it with your hands. Replace that, throw that bulb out, put the new one in. You'll line the tabs up. All right, so we're gonna put the new one back in. You want to take your needle nose and up with the hole, and then you twist. Now we're going to put the dust boot back on. Flip it over. Make sure it's good. Now we're going to replace the turn signal bulb. I'm going to pull this dust boot off. Twist and pull. Then there's a little tab you're going to push down. And then this slides right off. Now we're going to install the new one. Push that back in. Make sure it's secure. We're going to put it back in. Line it up. And twist. And then we're going to put the dust boot back over.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.